You know, I've never met someone so small. Do you like my feet? It's okay. You can touch them. I don't mind. Yes, there? Oh, sûr. You really like my feet, don't you? I can tell you're enjoying this. I guess I should warn you, though. My feet are pretty ticklish. Um, you're making me squirm! I've never had anyone this close to my feet before. Oh my goodness, I can't believe this! You're so sweet, but you're killing me here. Well, I can't say I've ever had someone so close to my feet before, but it feels nice. Oh, you want a kiss? Well, I suppose I could do that. You're so adorable. You know that?